All right, what is going on, everybody? I'm going to do a quick recap of today's price action. So going into the day, I was extremely bullish. We were delivering off of this 4-hour fair value gap right here, and we had all-time highs right above. So it was very obvious that I wanted to see longs. Still respecting this 1-hour fair value gap here, as well as this one here. When you see displacement towards your obvious draw on liquidity, which is all-time high, you want to, keep in line with the trend and be looking for some sort of continuation setup. So unfortunately, we had that setup happen like right before market opened. It was basically my textbook setup. Price came down, tapped into this 5-minute fair value gap right before the draw on liquidity on the last leg, and then we had good displacement out of here. This is basically the setup that I would have wanted to take this morning, but unfortunately this happened pre-market. Tapped into the 5-minute and then delivered right to all-time highs. So this is my textbook continuation setup. After that, I was pretty hesitant to take trades, but I would if we had strong displacement through the draw on liquidity, which is my rule. So because we had really strong displacement through all-time highs like this, I was waiting for some sort of pullback and continuation. So price pullback after taking all-time highs, and then we had this super strong displacement candle. So unfortunately, my order didn't get filled because I'm using TradeC for some reason. It still had my account locked, even though it should have been done at like 9:25. So it said account locked, and then I had to refresh the page, and it worked. So unfortunately, I wasn't able to get into this trade because this would have been a winning trade. I was waiting for another pullback with displacement. I ended up taking this trade, which ended up being break even. We came back, tapped into this 1-minute gap and had strong displacement. Unfortunately, this was a break-even trade. We came up, I went break-even around here because we got pretty close to hitting my draw on liquidity, and then came back, it tapped into my break-even point here, and then it ended up continuing higher. So those were the two trades, or I guess the one trade that I took today. Unfortunate that we had those execution issues, but it's just part of trading, right? So at this point, I'm done for the day, even though it's only 10 o'clock. Once I see price action like this, where we just, we get those breakaway gaps, we don't retrace into any 5 minutes and get any sort of continuation, price just kind of slowly trickles higher. I'm pretty much done for the day. There's no clear draw on liquidity. We're already above all-time high. Don't really want to be looking for shorts. So this is when you call it a day and you protect those accounts going over the weekend. Super important to protect your accounts going over the weekend because you're going to be sitting for the next couple of days without trading, and you don't want to be thinking about the stupid mistakes that you made on Friday going out into the weekend. So you guys enjoy your weekend, keep those accounts protected, and we'll see you in the next one.